How eating oats and oatmeal beneficial to our body. Why? Oats have a lot of benefits. Oats are one of the healthiest grains. Oats are rich in soluble fibers which help in lowering cholesterol levels and blood sugar. These also include weight loss, protection against skin irritation, and reduces constipation and risk of heart disease. These soluble fibers help increase intestinal transit time and reduce glucose absorption. A very healthy breakfast option, you can spruce your oats with fruits and crunchy nuts. They are a gluten-free whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Here are 10 evidence-based health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. 1. Boost energy. Oats are rich in carbs, the body's essential source of energy. Oats are absorbed much slower in the body, and this gives you a longer-lasting boost. And the B vitamins in oats such as thiamine, niacin, and folate, work together to help your body metabolize energy. 2. Enhances immunity level. The beta-glucan in oatmeal enhances the immunity level of our body. Beta-glucan is absorbed by special receptors of our immune cells. Oats are also rich in selenium and zinc that play a part in fighting infections. 3. Lower the risk of hypertension. Avenantramidase, an antioxidant compound contains in oats that may help lower blood pressure and reduces the risk of hypertension. 4. Reduces cancer risk. Lignan, a compound found in oats, helps reduce the chances of hormone-related cancers like breast, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Therefore, both men and women should eat oats regularly. 5. Promote healthy heart. Oats contain antioxidants and dietary fibers that are beneficial for heart disease. Oats help reduce your bad cholesterol, LDL, by not affecting your good cholesterol, HDL, thus, keeping your heart healthy. Oats are also a rich source of magnesium, which is key to enzyme function and energy production, and helps prevent heart attacks and strokes by relaxing blood vessels, aiding the heart muscle, and regulating blood pressure. 6. Control blood sugar levels. The high-fiber beta-glucan contained in oats stabilize the blood sugar and improve the insulin sensitivity of those with diabetes. 7. Promote weight loss. The hunger-fighting hormone, cholecystokinin, is increased due to beta-glucan contained in oatmeals. Oats is a low-calorie food that slows digestion and reducing your cravings, which helps you lose weight. 8. Promotes skin care. Oats have been used as soothing agents to help treat dry, itchiness, skin irritations, and other various skin conditions, such as eczema. It normalizes the skin's pH and helps moisturize and provide softness to the skin. 9. Enhance quality sleep. Tryptophan is an amino acid, and other nutrients in oats help produce melatonin, the chemical that induces sleep. Vitamin B6 and carbs in oats also release serotonin, the feel-good hormone that reduces stress and calming effect. 10. Oats relieve constipation. Oats are a rich source of fibers, which helps in regulating bowel movements and hence relieves constipation. Including oats in your daily diet aids your problem with constipation. How to incorporate oats into your diet. You can enjoy oats in several ways. The most popular way is to simply eat oatmeal porridge for breakfast. Here is a very simple way to make oatmeal. Half cup of rolled oats. 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of water or milk. A pinch of salt. Combine ingredients in a pot and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to a simmer and cook the oats, stirring occasionally, until soft. To make oatmeal tastier and even more nutritious, you can add cinnamon, fruits, nuts, seeds, and or Greek yogurt. Also, oats are often included in baked goods, muesli, granola, and bread. If If you found this video valuable, please give it a like. If you know someone needs this, please share. If you have your thoughts, please leave a comment. If you want to watch it later, please add it to your playlists. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Watch more videos in our playlist.